Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to find and install an app called HappyCow vegan food near you. So first thing first, open App Store, click on that blue icon right here on your home screen. Then make sure that you log in on your Apple ID account. Then click on the search button right here, and in the search bar type in HappyCow and go search right here. Then scroll down a little bit until you find the app. So click on that. Now it costs $3.99. Just click on the blue button, then confirm purchase and installation through Face ID or Touch ID, or using password from your Apple ID account. So now it's all done. The app is only 73.1 megabytes. Also, all links will be in the description of this video. Hope you guys enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Bye.